Jury determination is expected to continue Tuesday morning within the case of the individuals of the state of Modern York v. Donald Trump, the primary criminal trial of a previous president ever. The journey to discover a jury of 12 individuals and 6 substitutes got off to a slow begin Monday, as more than half of the 96 potential legal hearers summoned to the Manhattan court said they couldn't be reasonable and unbiased when it comes to Trump, the polarizing unused York local and previous commander-in-chief. In no time, sometime recently strolling into the court, Trump told columnists he had done nothing off-base and assaulted Judge Juan Merchan, who is managing the trial, as Trump-hating judge. He moreover complained that the case is keeping him off the presidential path. "I ought to be, right presently, in Pennsylvania, in Florida, in numerous other states." Trump, the presumptive Republican nominee for president, is required to be in participation for the trial, which is anticipated to final 6 to 8 weeks. He has pleaded not guilty to 34 tallies of distorting trade records related to a quiet cash installment to a porn star amid the closing days of the 2016 presidential decision. The low-level crime is culpable by up to for a long time in jail. Trump complained after court Monday that Merchan wouldn't let him skip court May 17 to go to his son's Tall School graduation, in spite of the fact that Merchan has, however, to really run the show on the ask, saying he would do so afterward. Trump's lawyer Todd Blanche, too, inquired whether Trump may be pardoned on April 25, the date the U.S. Preeminent Court is planned to listen his contentions almost presidential insusceptibility stemming from the government race obstructions case against him. Merchan rejected that ask after Blanche told him, "We shouldn't be here at all right presently." "You do not accept you ought to be here right presently," the offended judge reacted. "He's required to be here. He's not required to be at the incomparable court." The issues were a few of the several raised by lawyers for both sides in court Monday that brought about within the jury determination prepare not starting until the evening. As it were, 9 potential legal hearers replied questions from Merchan's 42-question form, which included a few questions almost their political affiliations and C's around Trump himself. Sometime recently, the conclusion of the court day. Trump's eyes were closed amid portion of Monday's procedures when Merchan was perusing the potential attendants his informational, making hypothesis almost whether he was snoozing or just profound in thought. The remaining legal hearers from the primary pool will proceed replying questions Tuesday morning. Sometime recently, prosecutors from the Manhattan Locale Attorney's Office and Trump's lawyers ask follow-up questions. After that, they'll move on to the another pool of 96. Merchan has evaluated the method will take 1 to 2 weeks.